You okay, Nick?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Then why did you say? Why did you say I'm fine?
Here, hold this.
You're taking a picture.
What happened to Grandma Nicholas?
She died.
Passed away. Are you sad?
Yes.
You wanna go see her?
Yeah.
Mom is sad too.
I want to see her.
Yeah.
The hospital is so far away.
It's in Hawaii. You have to ride airplane. See?
Miss Grandma be?
Hey, Grandma.
I miss Grandma and Daddy and Rachel.